What's up, everyone? I have a quickie video here today. I have my compact Presario CDS 524, and the video isn't so much about this, but I just kind of wanted to show you what I use it for. Basically, I sell things on eBay, and well, like frankly everyone else on eBay, I say in my auction that I test my equipment before I sell it. But well, I figured I would actually show you. So I've been selling these parallel port zip drives. I have like 30 of them for sale. And, you know, we always have the click of death issue and a few other things that are synonymous with these drives. So I always want to make sure that the drive is functioning normally. So let's grab a disc. Okay. I've already loaded the factory iOmega floppy here. If anyone needs the driver's disc, you are more than welcome to send me a message. Alright, so our disc is loaded. What do we got? Now this is Windows 95 on a 66 megahertz 486. You can see the zip drive is listed there. I'm sorry for the strobe light action. My mouse is a little janky, so I guess I'll use the keyboard. Cool, and it looks like it's all there. And I have to go and show hidden files and folders. Now mind you, I'm doing this all with the keyboard because the mouse isn't working. Okay, now I am going to copy it to a test folder on the hard disk. New folder, test. Paste. Yep, this one seems to be working good, although 37 minutes is quite a long time for not even 100 megabytes. Hehe. So cool. It appears that this drive works, so go ahead and box it up and get it shipped out. But yeah, if you're curious about any of my eBay auctions, I always test all of my equipment in this way, unless it is specifically stated otherwise. So anyone purchasing anything from me can be rest assured that it either works or doesn't work exactly as I specify. So anyways, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, or suggestions, please let me know. Until next time, take it easy.